Dili na. Today is Wednesday. It's go
Go
to school.
home.
Go to school.
Go home, please.
Yes, not yet. Today,
Wednesday,
we will
we will
go
go
to school.
to school.
Sabi, hi. Say, good morning. Sabi,
Good morning.
sabi mo, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going
Going
to school.
school
What in
right
right?
tomorrow.
Yes. What's the name of your school?
Right tomorrow.
Come on. Very good. Count na. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5, 6, 7,
8,
9, 10. Very good. Galing. Say, going to school na ako, guys. Sabi mo.
Going to school. Guys,
Going to school.
going to school.
Dito. Yung sa mga nanonood dyan, wala kasi siyang summer. Kasi yung katulad sa kanila, hindi pwedeng maglaps lang ng pasok. Dahil pag naglaps sila ng pasok, tatama rin na itong mga to. Papasok. Hindi katulad ng normal na bata. Uy, blow. Close your mouth. Blow. Dali na, stand up. Cannot yet finish pa. Where you going? What? Louder. Going to where?
Going to right tomorrow.
Bright tomorrow. Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye.